Hello, my elegant fashion lovers. Welcome back to the channel where we celebrate timeless style with a modern twist. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite wardrobe essentials, jeans. But not just any denim. We're talking about 15 elegant, chic, and refined ways to wear jeans in 2025. From off-duty model vibes to sophisticated city looks, I'll be sharing stunning outfits inspired by Harvey and the latest fashion trends. We're keeping it classy, effortless, and incredibly stylish. Look 1 off-duty model chic. We're starting strong with an off-duty model moment. Relaxed fit dad jeans paired with a sleek black bodysuit and pointed toe ankle boots, effortless sophistication. Add oversized sunglasses and a structured mini bag, and you're instantly runway ready, even if it's just for a coffee run. Look 2 elegant weekend brunch. For a chic weekend brunch, nothing beats a light wash jean with a beige bodysuit and a white linen blazer. Nude strappy heels elevate the look, while delicate gold jewelry adds that soft luxury touch. Perfect for a leisurely morning with your girls. Look 3. Feminine ruffles and denim. If you love romantic elegance, this one's for you. Mid-wash straight-leg jeans paired with a white puff sleeve blouse create a feminine, vintage-inspired aesthetic. Style it with ballet flats, pearl earrings, and a woven basket bag for that dreamy, effortless charm. Look 4 vintage cool denim. Looking for a little edge? Try distressed straight-leg jeans with an oversized vintage tee and chunky boots. Add a silver chain necklace and smudged liner for that just threw this on cool girl vibe. Perfect for art galleries, coffee dates, or just owning the streets. Look 5 elegant denim and shirt combo. Classic, polished, and powerful. A crisp white button-down tucked into dark wash tailored jeans is a no-fail office to evening look. Add beige pumps, a structured handbag, and a polished low chignon to exude effortless elegance. Look 6 cozy cashmere and denim. Some days call for cozy luxury. Enter light wash jeans paired with a taupe cashmere sweater and white sneakers. A soft beige tote and delicate gold pendant complete this relaxed yet refined look. Perfect for a coffee shop kind of day. Look 7. Luxe leather and denim. Nothing says chic and powerful like black skinny jeans and knee-high leather boots. A fitted taupe turtleneck keeps it sleek, while oversized sunglasses and gold hoop earrings add the perfect dose of drama. Look 8 chic Parisian stripes. Bonjour elegance. Parisian chic is always a win. Style your dark slim fit jeans with a black and white striped top, sling back heels, and of course a black beret. Classic red lips. Oui, oui. Look 9 denim on denim sophistication. Double denim but make it elegant. A tucked-in, oversized denim shirt with high-waisted jeans creates a sleek monochrome effect. Pair with nude heels, pearl earrings, and soft glam makeup for a refined modern aesthetic. Look 10 luxe monochrome elegance. White denim is a power move. Pair straight-leg white jeans with a silk champagne camisole and a structured blazer. Nude heels, gold accessories, and a sleek bun complete this high-end minimalist look. Look 11 white and denim minimalism. Simple, sophisticated, and endlessly chic. A white square neck bodysuit with light wash wide leg jeans creates a clean, minimal aesthetic. Add strappy sandals and a woven tote for an effortless, sunlit look. Look 12 sleek and structured denim. Flared denim makes a major statement. Style it with a camel double-breasted blazer, a black tank, and pointed toe pumps for the ultimate boss energy. Look 13 sporty chic denim. Sporty but make it chic. Light wash cropped jeans with a gray cropped hoodie and designer sneakers scream effortless cool. A black baseball cap and a crossbody bag pull it all together. Look 14, the elegant trench and denim combo. A trench coat instantly elevates any denim look. Pair slim fit dark jeans with a white turtleneck and a long beige trench for that timeless polished elegance. Look 15 statement coat and denim power. Look, and finally, the power move. High-waisted black flared jeans, a white bodysuit, and a structured camel coat. Instant boss energy. Complete it with stiletto ankle boots and a chunky gold necklace for a luxe, confident finish. And there you have it, 15 ways to style denim like an elegant, sophisticated woman in 2025. Which look was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more effortless fashion inspiration. Until next time, stay chic, stay confident, and always wear your elegance with pride. Bye, loves!